Hi, this is Lorelai from Philippine American Couple Story. You can see the chaos, which is exhausting. Well, we're trying to organize our stuff, going to our Philippines trip this coming second week from now. And for international flight, we know that you can bring 2 luggage check-in for free. It's 50 pounds each of the luggage. So we will get that one, this one, and the other one is incoming. So the one that you see here is only for the gifts that we're bringing to the Philippines. And this is we're always doing every time we send package or we travel. This is, you can focus it. It's a Ziploc bag. This is a vacuum. You can open it. There's an open zip here. Then you put everything inside the bag. Then I'll show you. Okay, so you better just kind of file it one thing like this. Just making sure there's no rough or sharp thing that can be pointed on the bag. Then it says no food, no leather, or to be inside. Then it's usually, it will really make you a really good space. Give me a second. I think that this one's too big. I put it first. Like what you're doing. There you go, and you can put some of the stuff that already fold in. You can go lengthwise and portrait or landscape. That's good. Okay, just kind of trying to level up. And if you want, you're trying to fit here to see first before you vacuum so that it will not exist. Or then I'll try to put everything now. See, that's kind of easy. You'll be surprised, guys, how many space you can consume and save on this kind of a technique. See, that's how bulky is that. Then there's a thing here. I just gonna slide it to lock. And I usually you can buy this in your local store. You just ask to go to the packaging or luggage area. They have this. And this is my nosy daisy, as always. Then I usually kind of put this on the edge.
Why do you do that?
It will be trying to eliminate any air surface that can escape, so that it will be vacuum sealed. Just kind of wait. I'll just do this first. So because this is might open accidentally. So anyway, it's even sealed, but you're just trying to double seal it with a tape. Then now, this is the one, and this is the vacuum. It's really big. Alright, so we just do is to open this one here and put this suction here. See, it's really saved too much. Then I hear the, what is that? So what I'm going to do is to avoid from any air out going in. I'm just gonna seal it. This is the reason why I wrap it this, just in case there's a sharp thing that hook on it while you're doing on your luggage. This will keep intact the item.
So by taping this up really well, what we do is we make sure whether the bag is breached or not, that it doesn't open up and all the air rush
Or the
in.
pop out back to original form. See? And that's it. Then you can, there's a stuff here that I can't show you guys because it will not be a surprise. But there you go. You can put it, see how much space you can save.
Now just keep in mind, you still got to be under the weight limit of 50 pounds.
Yep.
So even if you vacuum seal and you got a lot of space, you still got to worry about your weight restrictions.
Yeah, you need to wait, but this one will consume because it's only a clothing. So it's consume, saving you so much space.
Yeah, because when you have bigger or bulkier items,
Yep.
then you need the space. And there's a lot of things that you can't vacuum seal because you would crush them. But clothing works very, very well.
Clothing, bed sheet, and usually clothing will really works for this one.
Yeah, you don't want to do food because you'll just crush your food.
Yeah.
All right, or
To
drinks.
suck air, everything on it. See? You see how big it is earlier? And now maybe I'm trying to not to make it a little bit, you know. Alright guys, that's it for today, and see you soon. I have more video, and please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, or comment below. Thanks for watching.